Hey, welcome to the 9 to 5 Freedom Dashboard. I'm going to show you exactly how this works in under 6 minutes so you can hit the ground running the moment you download the file. So the first things you do, and this is the only time you actually enter your info manually, is to come to the Setup tab. Um, Type your name, your employer, your annual salary, and your pay frequency. The name of up to also five different side hustle that you might have. So you don't have to type all the five. If you don't have five, just type what you have. And that's it. Really, every other tab in the spreadsheet now knows who you are and what you are building. So now this is the command center. This is your command center, the Freedom Dashboard. At the top, you will see your W-2 salary, your side hustle income year to date, your combined income, your estimated tax owed, and also your freedom number. Your freedom number is the percentage of your salary that your side hustle now covers. So you can see here the progress bar. This is the bar that fills up as your side income grows. The goal is to get it to 100% the day your side hustle replaces your day job completely. Down here, you can see every month side by side what came in from your job, what came in from your hustle, and what you keep after expenses. So the W-2 income tab is where you log every paycheck. So this side hustle income log, every sale, every payment, every platform, you pick which hustle it belongs to from the drop down and enter the gross amount and any platform fee. Exit take up to 6.5%, for example, and then you can see here your real net income, which will actually calculate automatically. So you can track up to 5 income stream here. The summary at the top shows you which hustle is to be your biggest earner. And then also once you are done with the side hustle, the other tab to look at is different from every other budget spreadsheet out there is the tax center. So if you earn a 1099 income alongside your W-2, you owe self-employment tax. And most people find out the hard way. So this sheet calculates it for you automatically. So you have a full Schedule C breakdown, your estimated self-employment tax at 15.3% is right here. And then your quarterly payment amount from Q1 to Q4 is also the exact due date. So now the Freedom Goal tab track your journey in real time. You set your annual income target. In this case, we match it to the salary to show what replacing your income looks like. And as your side hustle grows, this badge update automatically. So you can see how it says freedom achieved means your side hustle income has crossed your salary. That's the moment this whole dashboard is built for. So AI prompt dashboard. Okay, so this is the bonus no other spreadsheet gives you. A 10 copy paste prompt you can use with ChatGPT or Claude to analyze your own number and paste your monthly total or ask the prompt and get instant recommendation on where to grow, what to cut, and how to hit your next income milestone. So the mileage log, so this quick mileage log, every business mile you drive is a tax deduction. So don't miss out. The 2026 IRS rate is already built in. So log your trip here and the deduction feeds directly into the tax center automatically. Keep in mind, this is not a tax advice. So you still consult with a professional accountant. This is just to get you ahead so you are prepared. And finally, the Freedom Dashboard. So this is the 9 to 5 Freedom Dashboard with 20 tabs are connected, are automatic, built specific for people with a day job and a side hustle. We want to see the full picture and track the day their side hustle income takes over. That's the most rewarding things. And then the link to grab yours. Please check the Exit thing and also the description below, so you can already start working on it in Google Sheet for free, and you set it up really in under 10 minutes. I'll see you on the inside.